Okay, I got a Dodge Durango 2005 4.7 liter Magnum V8. The car is acting a little strange because I get the engine lighting, and now the engine is going calm and good. No jumping on the RPM, and I can see from the scanner that I'm reading the code P0123. It says the throttle pedal position sensor, switch A, circuit high. And if we see in the engine room, well, I hope I'm on the right track here, because you see the throttle position sensor, the black one, that one, that's new, and on the 3-wire connector I figure out that it's 1 ground and 1 plus 5 volts, and the 3rd wire is back to the computer to regulate the bus voltage after how the throttle is standing. One thing that's worrying me is that I'm measuring plus 5 volts from the computer when I disconnect the plug. So if it's anyone has the same problem, I'll be grateful to get some ideas about what it can be. As you can hear, the engine is going very well now. But let me see. Well, as you can see, the engine is going very well, but when I throttle up to 2000, here we go, 2500, it will begin to rate on RPM. Under 2500 it goes well, down to see 1000, and when I'm letting the pedal it almost dies out and it starts to chase. Now it's stabilizing. Now it's stable again. That's a few times it does that. Sometimes it just stops. It's also doing this when driving. When driving on the road, as now we can see, it's starting to do that very much. If I stop the engine, start it again, it's stabilizing. So it's very strange. I can't figure out what to do with this fault. As I was going to say, when I'm driving on the road, it's going very well. I can drive about 50-60 miles per hour and it's going good. The one thing I have seen is that the car doesn't respond on the kickdown. It doesn't want to go over 2500 approximately. 2500, 3000 RPM, it's the max. And the kickdown it won't respond on. I also noticed that the temperature is about, well, standing right now I have an issue before when it's consumed too much fuel and the temperature was a little bit higher, but that's okay now. It was just a sensor. I also changed the EGR valve, but if I got a leak there, I will suspect that the engine also will chase on the RPM when I'm driving on the road. So I definitely close out that. But if somebody thinks it can be that, well, I have to check it again. I hope somebody have the same issue with this car. It's a Dodge Durango V8 4.7 Magnum 2005. And back to the scanner, I got the P0123. I also get sometimes the P0068, who is the I think it's the vacuum sensor in the manifold, intake manifold. I have taken it out, clean it, and no errors from that anymore. I also got some other codes on the temperature sensor and the temperature sensor, but that when I was unplugging the plug to check if the plug was okay. So short again, engine now after start going okay, no chasing on the RPM, but when I throttle up I got about 2500 RPM and it starts to chase, and it will also then start to chase on the 500-600 RPM. Okay, somebody please. Thank you.